Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Ganesh Rathod from D.Y. Patil Pratishthan's College of Engineering, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. In this channel, we are going to discuss about the various AI tools related to research. Today, I am here with an important AI research tool, which is Semantic Scholar. So let's discuss about this.
Hello friends. So you are if you are looking for a research paper for your research work, or if you are doing any literature work, then you are at the right place. So Semantic Scholar is an AI powered research tool used for the scientific research. So in today's lecture we'll see how Semantic Scholar is helpful for us. So to open the Semantic Scholar you have to visit the URL, that is semanticscholar.org. So once you type in, this is the front page that is been available for Semantic Scholar. You can see number of papers available, what are the new features added. So there is an about us. So the various fields tells about the information regarding Semantic Scholar. So the important thing in this is the search bar where we can type in other topics we are looking for it. So before I type any topic, I wanted to say you that Semantic Scholar is fully free. So there is no need for any subscription. Also, there is no need for login also. So without login also you can do your work or you can search the topic. But so if you log in, there are many features that is been available. Like so you can add your own publications, and based upon your own publication, it will recommend you the research papers. Also, you will be more exposed to the research world. So that is the one of the advantages if you log in. So as you can see at the right corner, so I have just logged in with my Google account. So it is very simple. Just with any of your Google account, just log in. So with my Google account, I already logged in. So I'll tell the advantages of this also. As I told, I can add my research papers, and based upon that, it will give me the recommendation also. Okay. So let's type in the topic, any one of the topic where I want the research papers. So for example, if I want the research paper for OB, so if I am doing a literature work or any research work related to OB, so let us see the research paper related to OB. All right. So once you search this, as you can see, there are 29 lakh 20,000 results related to OB papers. So these are the papers related to OB. So I'm getting the results like 2 lakh, 29 lakh 20,000 results are there. So there are various field here. So field of study. So I can date range, has PDF, author. One by one, let us see. Field of study tells that exactly what you want, means I will be related to education, computer science, engineering, economics, business, etc. Suppose I click education. So again, it will sort based upon that. All right. As you can see here, so it will show the list of papers or OB papers related to education. One of the important feature of this Semantic Scholar, or which I like the most, is about the has PDF option. So once you click this has PDF, so it will give me the list of papers, or it will sort automatically the papers which is having a PDF from all the various resources. So it will find it and it will give the results to me. So I just want to show this. Let me click this as PDF. Yes, as you can see here, see for every paper it is showing a PDF option here. At the bottom, there is a PDF, just here, just here. So this is the effect of outcome-based education on behavior of students. So I can see a PDF here. So I can see a PDF option here and PDF option here. So another important feature of the Semantic Scholar is all the papers are sorted like in descending order. Means latest paper will be at the top, like you can see the March 24 paper. So 24 papers are at the top. As you go down, so you get the 2023-22 papers. So as I told, as PDF option also gives me the sorted. So this is a very important feature or which I like the most. So I can just click that. So I'll just show you. Yes, here is the entire paper where I can read it and check it out. What are the research gaps or etc. So this is the one of the important feature of semantics. So has PDF can give many options. So another feature of this semantic scholar is, as you can see here, there are two options here. So for every paper, a small summary of 2 lines will be automatically given. If you want to quickly select some few of the papers, if you don't have the time, or if you don't want to read it inside and you want to select the papers, so you can read this 2 line, understand it, and you can go on selecting the papers. So that is the one of the feature of semantic scholars. So the AI automatically summarizes the paper, and 2 lines of that summary will be given for every paper. Like for this paper, this summary is good. If you don't want this summary, even you can close it. So these are the two is the option, like, so you can open the summary and you can close the summary. So for every paper, so every paper for 2 or 3 lines, a summary will be given. So anybody is not having a time or if you don't want to read it, then you can just understand the paper by reading this tool. So that is one of the feature of this semantic scholar. So you can select the date range also. By default, semantic scholars papers are available from 1931 to current year. So you can select the last 5 years, last 10 years, or any range you can see. If you are following any author, then you can select the authors. Based upon that, it will sort and the papers will be available for. So if you are looking for a particular conference or a journal paper, then you can select that. So based upon that also, it will give the results. So that is one of the things. Another feature of this semantic scholar is, suppose I select this paper. So at the bottom, you can see there are 18 citations for this paper, 16 references and related papers. So you can see the 18 citations are automatically it is shown to me. All the 18 cited paper are shown. 16 references that is been there in this paper. I can find all this paper here. That is the one of the feature of this paper. Sorry, this semantic scholar. Also related papers. When I open this and if I click the related papers, it will show all the related papers related to this. So that is one of the important feature of semantic scholar. The AI automatically shows the related papers, 16 references or citations, whatever it is. So now I'll show the another option, that is save to library. So if you want, if you are doing some, as I told, if you are doing some literature work, then you want at least 20 or 25 papers. And if you are doing any research work or if you are writing a thesis, so in that case, you require a lot of papers. So you can save all these papers into the library. So you can create your own library and you can save it. So I just show you. So I can click the save to library. So at the right, you can show this tab is open. So I just create a new tab or new folder, sorry, like OBE. So once this folder is created, I just say this as save and close. So like this, I can add as many as paper. For example, I wanted to add this quantitative insights paper. I just click save to library, select this folder OB and say close, save and close. Let me add another paper. Save to library, click the folder which you want to save and save as close. So once it is done, so at the right color you can see it. So there are four main options like your publication result, research dashboard, research feeds, and library field. So let me show the library field first. So whichever I added the OB field. So in the OB directory, so I added the three papers. You can see all these three papers. So like this, you can add it in your own folder as many as paper, and you can export it whenever you want it. For example, if I want this to add it in my references, so what I can do it here, I just click this paper, this one, and there is an option called as export. So you want to export BibTeX, MLA, APA, Chicago, or EndNote or BibTeX format. So you can select anyone. So for example, if I select Chicago, so it has been copied. So what I can do now is I can create a folder, a Word document called as references. Yes. So I can do this as many as papers. So at a time I can put it in the references. So this is the one of the feature of Semantic Scholar. So as I told, so now at the moment Semantic Scholar has fetched my only 12 publications, though I have the 30 plus publications. So you can add as many as papers. So if it is not fetched properly, so you can just click the edit other page. So you can add papers as well as you can remove the papers. So that is the option for you. So by default now 12 papers means on the top our latest papers have been fetched. So you can see the co-authors also in my papers, my research papers. Okay. So as I told, if you are not finding your papers, you can just click the edit author page and you can go on add papers. Like in my case, there are 30. So I had to add another 15 papers here. So that field you can see. So why I shown this is research fields. There is a research fields option. So the research fields show me the research papers related to my research work or whichever is been added into my folder. Like I created a OB folder and all papers. All papers are my publications and OB folder where I added the papers. So that is the interest of my research work. So this research feeds show me all the research papers that are related to my work. So the AI tool automatically with its intelligence show me the list of papers which are related to my research work. So like you can see here, so new recommendation for all papers. So new recommendation for papers. You can see the dates also where it has been recommended. On 10th March, these are the papers that has been recommended by the AI tool. Okay, so that is the one of the thing. So another important feature of this research feed is you can see a small eye option here. Okay, so if I close this eye option tells that so you want to show this all these things to the outside world. So suppose I close this all papers field. That means OB related papers will not be shown, or only all papers fields will be shown. Or if I want to show OB papers only, at the moment there are no recommendation. Later it can give me the recommendation. So once I show this means it is visible in the sense these papers are visible to the outside also. So I can just copy this URL and I can share to others. So that means when I share this, so the OB recommended papers related to papers. For example, for now it is not available. So let me make all papers as visible. Yes, these papers are the papers suggested by AI tools, and my research publication papers are also available. So my research publication papers were plus the recommended papers. So what I can do is, so these papers are visible to the outside world. So I can just copy this URL and I can share to the others. That means, so for my co-authors or my friends can also uh, see those papers. So collaboratively, if you are doing some research work, so this will be helpful for you. So that is the important feature of the research fields, or that is the important thing about the semantic scholar. So once the research field is done, so I'll show the research dashboard. Research dashboard is, yes. Let me show the research dashboard. A research dashboard is the combination of your publication plus what you added in the this one library. So it will show all means, for instance, so it is showing the most recent citation of your paper. Like for this paper, an algorithm for retrieval of significant events near goalpost from soccer videos using fuzzy logic. So for this, I got one references. So recent citation, that citation paper is been linked in. So for this paper, this is this latest citation that is being shown for improving IoT botnet attack detection and IDS detection. So this is the paper that has been recently cited. So whichever the paper which has been recently cited or for your research paper, that is been shown. And at the bottom, you can see the research feed option also. So research fields correct means what are the recommended papers, those things also mentioned. And it's in the impact field, it will show that recently uh, cited paper as well as it will show the recommended papers for your research. So in the dashboard, everything is between, and at the right corner, you can see the number of publication, H index, citations, etc. Yes, this is all about the Semantic Scholar. So I tried to show all the options in the Semantic Scholar. So if you like this, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.